Every day I wake up and scroll through social media. I try to read 2 pages of the book I've been reading for months and give up after 10 minutes. I play Wordle and Connections because doing puzzles is good for your mind, right? I scroll through LinkedIn and decide I need to research master degree scholarship. I get overwhelmed and I close all my tabs. At night, I lie in bed, sometimes on the floor, and think about all the options that I could choose from. I want to be a writer, a poet, a counselor, a scholar, a teacher, and an actress. Learn French, Italian, Portuguese, and bake pastries in the south of France. Watch all the movies on my watch list. Listen to every good song that was ever written. I want to stay up late and go to the bed at 9:30 p.m. I want to do everything, so I do nothing. Honestly, I'm sick of talking about my dreams. Like, I'm at a stage where I actually want to live those dreams. I am just done making excuses with myself कि मैं आज करूँगी, मैं कल करूँगी. This is my first step that I'm taking towards making my dream into a reality. When we talk about becoming a YouTuber, yeah, posting online, I have always been a person who is super afraid of showing up, make a presence online, because I feel like internet is a scary place, but it is also a place which can heal you in many ways. So this is my attempt on doing that. I've been wanting to do this for like almost 8 years, which feels like a lot of time, honestly. Um, 8 years back, what was I doing 8 years back? 8 years back, probably I was in 10th or 11th grade. I remember that I started watching YouTube very prominently when I was in 10th standard, and I was like, oh my god, I want to grow up and I want to do something similar to this. So finally, it took me 8 years to take the step to attempt something, to actually walk towards my dream, to actually work towards fulfilling my dream. So here I am. ऑनेस्टली मैंने बहुत कुछ लिखा था. एक्चुअली डायरी मेरे सामने पड़ी है. मैंने पूरी स्क्रिप्ट बनाई थी कि मैं ये बोलूँगी, मैं वो बोलूँगी, बट द मोमेंट मैं कैमरा के सामने बैठी हूँ, मेरे से नहीं बोला जा रहा है स्क्रिप्ट में से पढ़ के. मैंने लिटरली स्क्रिप्ट को बनाने में 4 दिन लगाए हैं. And now that I'm sitting in front of camera and like talking to it, it just feels surreal, and that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Wait, let me read a few lines from my script, okay? रही बात कि आगे क्या होगा, so honestly I don't know कि आगे क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, how is it going to work out, I'm not sure. uh, as I read the Substack before, कि I want to do a lot of things, so I end up doing nothing. uh, and that, honestly, that whole paragraph, I just resonated to it so much, that there is so many things that I want to accomplish and मैं उनमें से कुछ भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ. I've written a very like dramatic line. I've written, at least at the end of the day, I will be able to look myself in the mirror and tell myself that I'm so proud of you for at least putting myself out there. And I was brave enough to do it. So yeah, that's the main motive of this um, video. It took so much of courage in me to actually film this thing. It is just so emotional. I feel like I'm gonna cry. I don't want to cry in the first video itself, but yes, this is my first video and this is my introduction. Oh shit! I never gave you guys like a proper introduction. Should I? Should I do it now? Hello guys, this is Nishtha Patania, and welcome to my channel. I can't believe I'm saying this, but welcome to my channel. I have recently graduated. I've completed my B Pharmacy. एंड मेरे एग्जाम बस 4 दिन पहले ख़त्म हुए हैं. बहुत टाइम से मेरे को चल थी, तो आई वॉज लाइक फाइनली नाउ दैट आई हैव 1.5 month off, so I should do this. So I'm doing it. Hope you guys will support me in this. And I've also written like a very good thing. और अगर आप लोग भी लाइफ के किसी ऐसे स्टेज में हो जहाँ पे यू आर ओवर थिंकिंग इट जस्ट लाइक आई एम डूइंग इट, एंड आपको डर लग रहा है टू टेक दिस स्टेप, सो कम विद मी, लेट्स टेक दिस स्टेप टुगेदर. ड्रॉप अ कमेंट बिलो एंड टेल मी what are the things that you are trying to start, or what do you want to start, so we can start together. This is a new journey. It's going to take a lot of time to grow. It's going to take a lot of patience, hard work, skills to grow, and I'm ready to put in that effort. So what are the new things that you want to start and you are afraid of doing it? So you can just drop that in the comment section and then we can start together. If you guys want to join me in this messy, unpredictable, but hopefully amazing journey from day one, so please hit that subscribe button so we all can grow together. I guess that's all I wanted to say for my first video, and I'll see you guys in the second one. Bye bye. Love ya.